Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device's battery drains way too fast. First of all, let's start by changing the power settings on the computer. To do that, right-click the battery icon right here in the bottom right corner of your screen, then select Power and Laptop Settings, and select the power mode, and you can use either balanced or for best power efficiency switch to this mode. You can use this option with both plugged in and on battery states of your laptop. Besides, you can also lower the screen brightness by clicking these three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen and then making the screen less bright by adjusting this toggle, this slider. Now the next thing that you can do is right-click the task bar, open the Task Manager, and in the Processes section, right-click any of the columns that you see right here and enable the power usage column. Now sort your applications by the power usage, and if you see that some application uses your power at a high level and you don't necessarily need it, then you can right-click on it and click End Task to stop the application. Now the next thing is Bluetooth devices. Now again, click on these three icons right here, and first of all, Bluetooth itself can use a lot of your system power, so you can switch it off by clicking on this icon and making it turn white. But if any of the Bluetooth devices are connected to your device, then make sure to disconnect them when you don't use them, because they also use your battery power. Now the next thing is keeping your laptop up to date. So open the Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Windows Update, and here check for the updates for your device, and if you find any, make sure to install them, and if you don't, go to Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates, and as you can see, we have two additional updates that we can install in order to make the device work faster and the battery to be more reliable. Now, as you can see, the laptop didn't find any available updates, but to install these optional updates, just click on them, hit the checkboxes and click Download and Install, and wait until they are installed, then restart your PC to apply the settings. And the last thing to consider is that your battery could have gone old over time, and if you want to know how old is your battery, especially on its capacity level, you have to open the Start menu, search for CMD program, run it as administrator by clicking right here, then click Yes. In the following command field, input power CFG / battery report and press Enter. You will get a battery report saved into the following path, which you can copy by selecting it and right-clicking on it. Then you can close the CMD program, open your File Explorer or your web browser program, open the file path and paste the path right here, then press Enter, and you will see the battery report for your device. Now scroll down to Installed Batteries and check the design capacity compared to full charge capacity. The design capacity is the original capacity of your laptop, and the full charge capacity is the current available capacity of your laptop. So if this number is significantly different, significantly lower, from the one at the top, that means that your laptop's battery got old and it cannot hold the original capacity anymore. That means that it simply has to be replaced at this point. And that's all the tips I wanted to share with you. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.